So the first step I did in this question is to subtract the first equation from the second. And the motivation was to get rid of that a, b, and see what happens. And if you do that, you'll get this term. And also I noticed that you'll get the difference of squares identity here. And I can pull that out. Now, once I'm at that stage, I couldn't really think of going any further, so I just left it here. So in the exam, you'll just have to be open with these types of questions. Often the most common operations are either addition or subtraction. And the next thing I observed was that if I were to add these two, I will get this perfect square identity from the a square, b square, and then these two ab's. And we also have a plus b here. So this is just square of a plus b. Now this can be factored because this is really a quadratic. If I call a plus b is x, that's the quadratic, and this can be factored into x plus 7, x minus 6 equal to 0. So our choices are a plus b is minus 7 or a plus b is 6. Note they are natural numbers, so we can drop that condition. So a plus b is 6, and now I can substitute it here. So actually this did help, even though originally I kind of stalled here. So now if I replace a plus b with 6, this becomes 7. That becomes 2. Now I have my standard linear system of equations, and I can solve for a and b. So I get 2b is 8, b is 4, and a is 2. And then I can compute that. 2 times 2 plus 4, which is 8. So the answer is D. Now, another thought I had was, could I create 2a plus b directly? Because I know 2a plus b square is 4a square plus b square plus 4ab. So the idea was, what if I multiply this by 4? Because often when they ask you questions where they're asking you for a value of an expression, many times you can create that without solving for a and b. In fact, you should always try to look for that. And this is also a possible approach I could have taken under test conditions. So if you add these, so we get the 4a square plus b square plus 4ab, these three pieces. And then I have 4a plus ab plus b. Actually, I need to multiply this by 4, so that's 56 plus 28, 84. So that would have become 2a plus b square. But there's really nothing I can do here. Maybe I can factor out an a, but I'm not really getting a 2a plus b. You know, it would be different if this was also, say, 2a plus b. So that didn't work, this approach here. But you should be open to these types of manipulations, and this is what you should be practicing. So to summarize, the answer is D.